we're on. Hi. Hi. Where'd my phone? Don't know. Okay, this is a very crazy start to a video. Let me straighten the camera. But it is exactly 2:59. Crap, where'd the fidget spinner go? Again.
Oh, you're sitting on it.
And at exactly 3 a.m., so 1 minute, we gotta make this quick. And we are going to be playing Baby Blue and spinning a fidget spinner at exactly 3 a.m. So first, I'm gonna play Baby Blue, and she's gonna have the fidget spinner, and then we'll switch. And we have horrible setup.
Yeah, your guys are leaning on my ladder on my bunk bed.
Is that gonna fall? Good. Oh crap! It's exactly 3 a.m. Here, spin. Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue.
Nothing.
Baby Blue. Well, it takes time. Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue, Baby Blue.
Exactly nothing.
I know if your fish looks dead. I don't know. My turn with the spinner. Nice try, do Baby Blue. Okay.
Sorry guys,
That was kind of creepy. I mean, that one was creepy. Go. Go.
Baby blue, baby blue, baby blue, baby blue.
And we will film for a minute after this.
Baby blue. Alright, my arm's starting to hurt. Baby
Because
blue,
you have a baby in it now.
Yay!
Baby Blue.
Baby blue, baby blue.
And we can pass him around.
You go.
Oh crap, it actually feels like weight. So nothing's happening. I'm holding Baby Blue at 3 a.m. Well, 3:01 now. Darn it. So,
Oh no. Give me my baby.
what's gonna happen? Hey, it's my baby now.
I gave her to him.
You actually just did that to him. What if we get 2 Baby Blues in one room?
Okay, baby, let's go send you back to the spirit world.
No! You have to flush him down the toilet or throw him in the trash
What?
can. You have to flush him down the toilet or throw him in the trash can.
Your phone.
Now hold him. I know.
What's her?
It's a him!
How do you know?
I know. Baby Blue, 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 Blue. I'm saying Baby Blue, guys.
Baby blue.
Okay, let's give me both the babies. I got both the babies. Crap, I actually feel weight in both arms. It's kind of creepy. Take that baby back. Take that baby too. Give me my baby back.
What are we doing?
Okay, so
We don't even know what we're doing.
so far nothing has happened, and well, we suck at this game.
Yes, we do.
So we're gonna film for a couple minutes. Would you get back in the camera and not on top of me?
Okay.
Or this will turn into my channel. Yeah. Okay.
What are you
I
doing?
hear something outside that window.
I hear
I'm
nothing.
scared to look outside it.
Okay, do it.
No, I'm scared to.
I triple dipple dog dare you.
Okay, here, video me. I'm going to open the window. Not open the window, just open the curtains. I'd die if I opened the window.
My phone's hot.
Dark.
No, it's hot. Feel the camera.
We're filming on the phone. Okay.
Yeah, we're filming on the phone.
I heard
There's
something
my
happen.
fishies. Your big fat head's in the way. There's our fishies.
Okay, I'm scared to open this.
Do it. Just do it. Your butt's on my foot.
I have a fidget spinner. I'm not afraid to use it. I saw something move. I saw something move. I'm not kidding. I saw something move. I saw something shiny move. That curtain see-through. We're all gonna die. What have we done? Ah, I still have gross pepper on my lips from a week ago. So nothing's happening and we aren't dead. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna take a little break, okay? We're just gonna pause the
Well,
video.
we'll tell you if something happens.
Yeah. Hey guys, Bailey just went to the bathroom. I don't know what's going on. Ah!
Hey guys, we're back. I'm sorry, I had to take a poop.
Bailey, did you really have to say that?
It looks like there's something carved into the wall over there.
What?
Let's go look. I'm taking the camera. It's my turn. It's my turn. What's my turn?
It's my phone.
Let's go. This is kind of creepy. It says something. I will. The L's backwards. Maybe we shouldn't make fun of spirits though. Get.
That's very hard to say get.
G. That's obviously a G. Get. Symbol. Weird symbol. Anyone know what that symbol is? Comment in the comment below.
Yow.
You. Can you not read?
Yow.
Yow. It spells yow. That's kind of creepy though. We can't do that.
Yow.
Look, we don't have any knives. Maybe. Show them we don't have any knives. Look, no knives.
Look in the thing.
Look in the fishy tank. Look at the fishes. Okay. Could you help me, Alicia?
I'm sorry, sister.
See, no knives. No knives. Oh, touched underwear.
Why did you talk about my underwear?
No
Nothing.
knives. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Okay, so Alicia's standing here, as always.
Hi.
And there's fishes. Fishes. Bailey,
Bailey, want to do something? I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this then. Okay guys, it has been almost 10 minutes and she's still gone. I'm gonna go see what happened. Oh my gosh. Alicia, are you okay? Alicia, wake up. What happened?
I don't know.
Don't ask.
Don't ask.
Come on, let's go. We don't know what.
You got hit.
With
My
what?
head hurts.
Let's go. Are you okay? Let's go before I dump that water over there on your head.
I need that water for my fish.
You make no sense. Let's go.
That's what I'm said. Go away, spirits. We don't like you.
No, hurt the spirits. Okay, so this is actually really creepy.
How?
I don't know.
Why'd you cut this again?
Cut what? I didn't. It's only one cut. Well, so literally nothing happened. So, well, what am I saying? Everything happened.
I got hit in the head by something.
And we have no clue what. And I'm saying nothing happened. I don't.
Yeah, totally. Nothing happened to us.
At all.
Totally. Nothing.
So I guess that's it for today.
Talk to my phone.
Like, comment.
Light?
I